what Emma, the owner of the bake shop, said that he was planning to
Ako dahil dito kayo at meron tayong bagong alituntunin na meron tayong bagong alituntunin ngayon. Kilala niyo ba ito? Kung sino ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other hand?
Ma'am.
Ganino?
Always seek happiness, ma'am.
Tinatawag niyo? Ma'am, tinatawag niyo ako?
May pagkagawa. Oh, kumusta? Ano nangyari sa'yo?
We want our ethical company. You cannot just study ethics. Instead, you have to practice it every day to get into a good habits.
Manageable CEO and manager of one of the biggest company in the Philippines. Let's welcome Miss Kunsa and Miss Kaunga. So, good morning. Oh, so close. What? So, thank you for your participating in this TV show. Miss Kunsa and Miss Kaunga. So, let's give them a hand of applause for their